Hey friends, Adam Brusa here, sitting here enjoying a nice cup of coffee, just the way that I like it. And I was thinking about you guys and wanted to offer something that I'm hoping might be of value to you. I was thinking about a recent message that I did, a short, and it was about, what is the sound that the energy of our life is making? And as I thought about that concept, I was just inspired to try and make this even more plain, even more clear for us. If the energy of our life was a sound, what song would we actually bring to the table? Would we bring like Johnny Cash's song Hurt? Would we bring like Everybody Hurts by REM? Would we kind of bring a sound, the energy of our life? Would it be like What Was I Made For by Billie Eilish? Right? Like, what is the sound that the energy of our life brings when we're showing up into relationships, when we're showing up to our loved ones and our family? The way that we're showing up and for ourselves and what we're thinking when we look in the mirror. I just want to encourage you today a couple of things. One is that let's change. I want to upgrade you or inspire you to upgrade the sound out of your life. And listen, all those songs that I mentioned before and many others are absolutely amazing songs. And there are moments in our life where we all go through difficult stuff. And sometimes finding that resonance can be helpful for us, feeling like we're not alone, somebody gets us. But can I encourage you in a world full of all kinds of heaviness to be a lean on me kind of person, to be a like Miley Cyrus's song Flowers. You can buy yourself flowers, or John Bon Jovi's It's My Life and I'm not going to wait forever, and that you're going to get up and go get it, or that we are the champions, my friends, or maybe like Journey, that we would say like we're not going to stop believing, don't stop believing, or baby you are a firework like Katy Perry. I want to encourage you today to just consider this thought. I want to invite you to consider that if the goal of your life, if part of the essence of your life is to bring goodness, significance, and stability to other people, and the sound that you're feeding yourself is not consistent with that message or that vibe, maybe change the inputs of your life and put some things in there that are great. You might be surprised because action many times action is what defeats complacency, and even uh, action, I find, beats average. If you'll just get moving, amazing things can happen. And give yourself the gift of putting the kind of sound in you that you want to actually be carrying all day, because you are a carrier, and I believe you're a carrier for greatness. Hey, I hope that this helps. Let me know in the comments what you think. God bless you guys.